All right, before we get started, what we're gonna do is look at some of the resources that you need to review prior to starting the initial documents. So that first resource is going to be the Kentucky Supreme Court Family Court Rules of Procedure and Practice. Try saying that 3 times fast. So what this does is it provides the state rules for you to obtain your divorce. So as the state, Kentucky, the Supreme Court came out and said, these are the things that you have to have in order to finalize your divorce. And so I need you to review those and then move on to the next document, which is going to be your local court rules. Your local court rules, those are going to tell you when you can file your paperwork to get in front of a judge to finalize it. The judge will sign that decree in the end. It'll also tell you what format you need to use in order to complete all of these documents. So while a lot of these documents will be state documents provided to you, the templates you have to adjust to meet the format of your local county. So with that being said, 3 things to remember. 1, make sure you grab the current version. And so every few years these get updated. Make sure that yours is the most recent version. We'll have links to provide, or we have links below so that you can click on it and go directly to where those documents are held and be able to find if you are in fact using the most recent current version of these documents. Second, make sure you use the correct format. If you do all of this and you use the wrong format, they'll be rejected. So grabbing those local court rules is very important. Reviewing this document, it's only a few pages, making sure that you use the format that's necessary will make sure that you don't get any of your paperwork rejected in the end. Finally, the last point to remember, if you can't find the local court rules and not every county has them, feel free to always call your family court. They have them on hand, and if they don't, you'll just refer to the circuit court rules, and they'll tell you that. So don't panic if you look it up and you find that in your county there's no local court rules. All you need to do is verify, call the court, make sure that there isn't a local court rule, a local family court rule available. If not, you'll just use the format for circuit court, and they can provide that to you. We also have the link below so that if you need to find what that looks like, there's an example. In the next video, we'll cover the initial documents required so that you can file your divorce and get the 60-day time frame started.